It's Save the Galaxy time!
What I'm feeling right now, I can't explain it.
I think it's going to blow their minds.
Oh my God, was that amazing?
That is honestly the greatest roller coaster I've ever been on in my life.
It is so cool and so different.
It's like a roller coaster, but I feel like I'm also dancing a little bit while I was doing it.
To fully comprehend it, I'm gonna need to get back on it right now.
You are the opening cast of Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind.
Nice to see this come to life and a great opportunity to say thank you for all your hard work.
This ride right here takes the cake. The dynamics of the movement, the visuals, the sound.
It was so much fun. I love it.
Haven't been on anything like it before.
I like the way it moves, like goes backwards, it spins around.
Lots of fun. Great for families.
The spinning is just amazing.
The music was fantastic. We were dancing the whole time. Disney, you've done it again.
Best roller coaster in the world.
Easily 10 out of 10.